Good day everyone. I would like to guide the teacher applicants in the expanded career progression for teachers. So we proceed to the performance requirements of Teacher 6. For classroom observable indicators or NCOIs must be at least 12 outstanding, and for non-classroom observable indicators, at least 4 at very satisfactory and 4 at outstanding. For teacher 7, at least 18 proficient COIs at outstanding, 6 proficient NCOIs at very satisfactory, and 6 proficient NCOIs at outstanding. We proceed to Master Teacher 1. At least 21 proficient COIs at outstanding, 8 proficient NCOIs at very satisfactory, and 8 proficient NCOIs at outstanding. And finally, for Master Teacher 2, at least 10 highly proficient COIs at outstanding, and at least 5 highly proficient NCOIs at very satisfactory, and 5 highly proficient NCOIs at outstanding. I would like to answer the question raised by Ma'am Clara Bermudez Gulingan from Tabuk City. Is there a classroom demonstration for teacher 4 position? Yes, madam. The applicants for teacher 4 position will be demonstrating their proficiency in the lesson through a classroom demonstration.